Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're cracking open a dusty tome that's been shrouded in secrecy for millennia, the Book of Enoch. This ancient text is like a cryptic treasure map, promising a wild ride through history, religion, and the unknown. Buckle up as we decipher its hidden messages, explore its fantastical stories of angels and demons, and delve into concepts that challenge our understanding of the universe. The Book of Enoch might not be on your bookshelf, but it's a key piece of the puzzle when it comes to understanding the roots of some of our most enduring religious beliefs. So grab your metaphorical Indiana Jones hat and get ready for an adventure. What is the Book of Enoch? The Book of Enoch is an ancient apocalyptic text, traditionally linked to Enoch, the enigmatic figure from the Bible who walked with God and was taken straight to heaven without ever seeing death. This book isn't your typical bedtime story. It dives headfirst into the apocalypse, a world on the brink of destruction. Now, here's the surprising wrinkle. Despite its historical significance, the Book of Enoch was excluded from the official Bible by mainstream Judaism and Christianity. But just because it's not in the official collection doesn't mean it's irrelevant. The Book of Enoch offers a fascinating glimpse into the beliefs and anxieties of a bygone era, potentially even influencing some of the very concepts we hold dear today. Why is it important? The Book of Enoch is like a hidden vault overflowing with lost knowledge. Imagine cracking the code and uncovering a treasure trove of concepts that challenge everything you thought you knew. This ancient text offers unique perspectives on the origins of evil, delving into the rebellion of the Watchers and the birth of monstrous giants. It sheds light on the Great Flood, going beyond mere punishment to explore a world consumed by wickedness. The Book of Enoch even dares to peek beyond the veil, offering glimpses of a dazzling afterlife with rewards for the righteous and punishments for the wicked. But that's not all. This enigmatic text might hold clues to ancient scientific understanding, with passages describing the movements of the stars and the very structure of the universe. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the Book of Enoch? The origins of evil. It delves into the story of the Watchers, fallen angels who succumbed to earthly desires. Blinded by the beauty of human women, they broke celestial law and mated with them, giving rise to the monstrous Nephilim. These giants, fueled by violence and corruption, ravaged the earth. This concept of fallen angels who rebelled against God and mingled with humanity wasn't just a fantastical tale, it significantly influenced later religious traditions, leaving its mark on concepts of demons and the battle between good and evil. The Book of Enoch doesn't stop there. It offers a deeper look at the Great Flood, going beyond a simple story of divine punishment. It paints a picture of a world spiraling into chaos, consumed by the wickedness birthed by the Watchers and the Nephilim. The flood, then, becomes a necessary cleansing, a desperate attempt to wash away the corruption and pave the way for a fresh start. The afterlife. And Enoch, unlike most mortals, doesn't just ponder the afterlife, he gets a first-hand celestial tour. The Book of Enoch describes his elaborate visions of heaven, a realm of dazzling beauty reserved for the righteous. Here, the blessed souls dwell in eternal peace, bathed in divine light. But the flip side of the coin is just as vivid. Enoch also descends into the chilling depths of hell, a place of torment reserved for the wicked. The book describes punishments tailored to specific sins, offering a stark warning to those who stray from the path of righteousness. These detailed descriptions of the afterlife resonated deeply with early Christian beliefs, potentially influencing their own conceptions of heaven and hell. The Book of Enoch becomes a fascinating missing puzzle piece, offering a glimpse into the development of these enduring religious concepts. Astronomy and cosmology. The Book of Enoch isn't just a theological treatise, it delves into the celestial realm as well. Tucked away within its pages are fascinating passages that describe the movements of the stars with surprising accuracy. These detailed observations suggest a sophisticated understanding of astronomy for its time. The book even ventures beyond the stars, offering glimpses into the very structure of the universe, with descriptions that hint at a possible early grasp of celestial mechanics. But the mysteries don't stop there. The Book of Enoch tackles earthly phenomena too, with passages detailing weather patterns and natural processes. Some scholars see these descriptions as evidence of advanced scientific knowledge for its time, suggesting the authors possessed a deeper understanding of the natural world than previously thought. Did the Book of Enoch capture forgotten wisdom? Or is it simply a testament to the keen observations of its ancient authors? Where does it come from? The Book of Enoch is shrouded in mystery. The oldest surviving fragments come from the Dead Sea Scrolls, written in Aramaic around the 2nd century BCE. But scholars believe the original text might be much older, possibly even predating Christianity. Different versions. There's another twist. The Book of Enoch isn't one single text. It's actually a collection of writings compiled over centuries. The most well-known version is the Ethiopic Book of Enoch, preserved by the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. There are also fragments in Greek and Hebrew. Why was it excluded from the Bible? There are several theories. Some scholars suggest the content was too fantastical or apocalyptic for mainstream religious authorities. Others point to theological differences, like the emphasis on fallen angels, which wasn't fully aligned with dominant interpretations. The Book of Enoch and popular culture. The Book of Enoch continues to capture imaginations today. References can be found in works like Paradise Lost by John Milton and even video games like Diablo. Its themes of angels, demons, and the end times resonate with modern audiences interested in the supernatural. Is it real or just myth? The Book of Enoch is a complex text open to interpretation. While some view it as divinely inspired revelation, others see it as a fascinating product of its time, reflecting the beliefs and anxieties of its authors. The historical accuracy of its stories remains debated. The Book of Enoch and you? Whether you see it as religious text, historical artifact, or simply a captivating story, the Book of Enoch offers a window into an ancient worldview. It challenges us to question our assumptions about good and evil, the nature of angels, and the afterlife. So, what do you think? Is the Book of Enoch a hidden truth or a work of creative imagination? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of the Book of Enoch, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more dives into the mysterious and fascinating corners of history and religion. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.